you. The tryout's about to start.
I'm on my way. There's something I've got to do first.
I'm doing this for us, remember? You can't miss it.
I won't. Trust me.
Wait! Just stop! I didn't do this to you!
It's just business. Nothing personal. Tati, stop! Using my name? Man, what's wrong with you?
I can't do this anymore.
What's the matter? You're already gone half the time. Now you're so up with this line of crap? It's a little hard body, isn't it? It's over! Do you understand? Well, I'm out. And if you had any brains, you'd leave this behind too. I'm out. For good. Should have jacked that bitch when you had the chance. Would have been on your way to Zalama.
Oh, very professional.
Hey, man, we don't want any trouble. This is your mark. We're sorry. He's all yours.
Hugo. Jacking cyborgs. Your little girlfriend might take that kind of personally, didn't you think? Yeah, but you know girls. She'll probably get all weepy and forgive you. When I show her your head.
There's no marker out on me.
There will be. Murder pulls a tight little bounty. Even with gutter trash like you.
I never killed anyone.
You just did. Now she thinks she can punk me, huh?